After reading a lot of reviews about this Bosch Series 4 dryer, saying that it takes a long time to dry sheets and towels, I thought I'd give it a go with a couple throw rugs. It's been an hour and a half or hour and 25 minutes later, and the program's just finished. Yeah, and that's good and dry. So about an hour and 25 minutes to do 2 throw rugs basically. This is the water that was collected. Heat pump dryers will take longer to dry than a conventional typical dryer, so just keep that in mind if you're realistic and understand that these will take a bit longer to dry. Then yeah, I don't think you'll have any problems with heat pump dryers. They are a lot more efficient, a lot less heat, and with the condensers you don't get any condensation in the rooms, which is a plus. Thanks once again for watching this video.